5 tips to learn programming easier and faster. 1. Roadmap. To have any track faster and easier, you have to have a roadmap of it. This roadmap should be clear and simple and have all the skills that you need to learn this track or this technology. For example, if you want to learn React Native, you have to know JavaScript and React.js and Redux and those skills to learn React Native. You have to put those in your roadmap. 2. Have a good plan. This plan allows us to learn easily. For example, if you want to learn React.js, you're gonna say, I will learn JavaScript in the next 2 weeks, then I'm gonna learn HTML in November, and so on. But you have to put reasonable goals. For example, not to say, I'm gonna learn Java in just 2 days. That's totally wrong. Your plan must be reasonable. 3. Start with the fundamentals. You shouldn't be a JavaScript expert to learn React.js or AngularJS. Well, it's better to have a great knowledge in JavaScript, but not at the beginning. You can start at the beginning as a beginner developer with only the fundamentals. You know, I am a React Native developer with 3 years of experience. When I started to learn JavaScript, I only started with the fundamentals. So start with the fundamentals first, then go and learn more and more. 4. Code daily. Consistency is the key. Set amount of time every day for just coding. Programming is a skill, best learned by doing. You have to know that. 5. Build projects. You will never be a programmer until you can build projects and do tasks yourself. So please be careful not to fall into tutorial hell trap. Tutorial hell is taking a lot of courses and tutorials and keep studying without building any projects. It's not about how many courses you took. It's about projects that you've built and tasks you have done. If you find those tips useful, follow me to get more.